Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to connect your NetSuite to your Payoneer. So the first thing you have to do is to go to Payoneer account and click sign in and click on this manage option here, the last option below on the menu. Then scroll down to business integrations, then click on this connect apps. So once you've done that, it should bring you to a page where you'll be able to integrate NetSuite with your Payoneer accounts. So from here we can just scroll and choose the NetSuite here. We click on it, and here from we can now click connect. The instruction, click connect, follow the instructions provided by Coda to connect your NetSuite account to Payoneer. Once connected, you would return here to your Payoneer balances. So this is, you can also have an automatic sync here or reconcile multiple balances here with NetSuite. So once you click on connect, you are as good as done. You just follow the instructions provided, and that's it guys. So if you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps us grow. Peace.